Doo-doo. Doo-doo. Yamakra. My home. My room. Tree I want to climb. So, like, what's up, everybody? Just want to know how everybody is. I'm getting wet. Oh well. I think it's nice out today. When it rains and it pours and there's an ugly looking river and then something right here. I don't know. All I know is there's like snakes and alligators and stuff back here. And like I want to go back there, but then again I don't. So just random people up the street, they're yelling, and then people in a car. So yeah. But I'm doing a vlog today. I'm outside. I'm in the rain. Yay me. And I'm in my favorite outfit. Even though I don't do skirts much, but yeah. I look nice. Look. Keymaster did it. Alright, well, I'll see y'all later. So, just want to do a shout out for my friend, Anna, and a couple other people like K9R9R, or however you say the damn thing. But yeah. Thanks.